Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix AppleCare billing problem. For example, if you see this kind of error in your Apple ID after you sort it out, so how you can fix that. So this kind of error occurred due to the billing information error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that, you have to turn it off again. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply close the page, and after closing this, you have to open the settings. And in settings, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have simply go back. Now, this kind of error usually occurs due to the payment issues. So you can simply check for the payment issues and any kind of purchase history and pending payments. So there are two methods for that. The first method is that you have to simply open the App Store and you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface will be available. Here you can simply find all of your manage payments option, purchase history, and subscription history. So you can simply check for any subscription whether it has any pending payments, and if it has pending payment, then you can simply clear for that. And the next method is as that you have to simply click on name or Apple ID, and you have to click on media and purchase, and you have to click on view account, and after that you have to verify with your Face ID, and after verification you have to click on manage payments, and you have to check whether you have provided the correct payment method. And if any kind of error are available in your payment method, you have to change the payment method. And the next method is that you have to provide the subscription. For the any kind of subscription has pending payment, then you can also check for that, and you can also check your purchase history. So after that, a problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you can take the screenshot of the problem and send it to the Apple support. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.